This is a cross-sectional view of the descending aorta obtained by transesophageal echocardiography. What is the echo-free space seen posterior to the aorta? This anechoic crescent or circular shape behind the descending aorta likely represents pleural effusion. The pleural lies adjacent to both the aortic arch and descending aorta, particularly on the left side. On CT or T, fluid or air in the pleural space, such as in hemothorax or pneumothorax, may be observed, tracking near the descending aorta, but it typically doesn't surround the entire aortic structure. Although pleural effusion is the most common cause of this echo sign, other important causes should be ruled out, including aortic dissection, periaortic hematoma, periaortic cyst, or tumor. It's important to note that pleural effusion may shift with respiration or position changes, whereas cyst or hematoma typically do not.